Dreaming of fresh veggies while on the road? Here's how you can create a hanging garden inside your van. Hanging gardens are perfect for van life, saving space, adding greenery, and maximizing sunlight. Imagine fresh herbs, lettuce, and cherry tomatoes right in your rolling home. Here's what you need: hanging planters or recycled containers, macramé holders or strong cords, heavy-duty hooks, a drill, screws, and maybe waterproof liners. Easy, right? Step 1. Choose lightweight containers. Step 2. Drill and install hooks in sturdy spots like crossbeams. Step 3. Use macramé or cords to hang your planters securely. Position them near windows or under grow lights for the best sun. To keep your garden stable on the move, add rubber padding under containers, tie planters securely, and avoid overwatering. For maintenance, choose low-maintenance veggies, prune regularly, and check your setup often. With a bit of effort, you'll have a thriving garden wherever you go. Inspired? Hit subscribe for more van life tips and share your garden pics in the comments. Let's keep growing on the road.